plans we make and chances we take, I feel everything more with you. Quiet confidence and trusting every step, and we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us.
Mabait naman, tapos masipag pag inuutusan. Nauutusan naman. Pag sinabing itayo mo naman ako dito, itatayo mo ako. Hirap kasi tumayo sa umaga.
Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here.
Jeric at Colleen, para patunayan na ang pagsasama nyo at ang sakramento na tatanggapin nyo ang sakramento ng kasal, gawin nyo ang inyong pagsasama ay tunay na tipanan. Unang-una, always be faithful to each other. Lagi nyong ipakita yung pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa. Sapagkat wala namang ibang dahilan kung bakit kayo nakaupo dyan ay dahil mahal nyo ang isa't isa.
Message ko lang sa'yo ay sana habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo. Kasi napakalit ng pasensya mo. Pero mahal na mahal pa din kita. Kahit napakaliit ng pasensya mo.
Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Our story is, our story is, our story is, our story, our story is, our story is, our story is, our story.
Jeric at Colleen, kayo ay kakasal, nawa yung tipan na katulad ng binigay sa atin ng Diyos, yan din sana ang pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa. Ito ay isang sakramento at patunayan nyo na tunay na mahal nyo ang isa't isa.
We watched the seasons pass us by, didn't know how they would form us for such a time as this. We heard a whisper in the night, felt the pull of something greater here within our midst. Faith that led us through the storm, learned to trust what lay before, knew that we were made for something more. I want it all.
Jeric, sumasangayon ka ba na maging bahay mo si Colleen narito ngayon at kadaupang palad mo? Alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan.
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakalaw mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang awa?
Opo, Father.
Laan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Felt a current running deep, trusting waters that could take us to places yet unknown. Distant visions within reach, all along they pulled us onward, more than we could know. Faith that led us through the storm, learned to trust what lay before, knew that we were made for something more. I want it all, the good and bad and all that's in between. As long as you're standing here with me.
Magiging tapat ako sa kanya dahil mag-asawa na kami. Mamahalin ko siya ng sobra na kasama yung magiging anak namin. Love. See you later. Ganda ka na.
I want it all, the good and bad and all that's in between. As long as you are standing here with me, that's all I need. I want it all.